The 2006 Lincoln Zephyr. The Lincoln Zephyr is every bit a contemporary Lincoln in its exterior styling. Angular and toned, with the trademark Lincoln chromed waterfall grille and sculpted hood. It's conservative enough to please longtime Lincoln buyers, yet fresh enough to attract a younger set that Lincoln desires. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, passenger airbag, power door locks, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.